Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that is a foundational aspect of health and wellness, namely metabolism. We all know that metabolism plays a key role in weight management, energy levels, and overall health, but what is it exactly, and how can you supercharge it to reach your goals? Let's break it down. So, what is metabolism? Well, metabolism is essentially the process your body uses to convert the food you eat into energy. The mitochondria pictured behind me are often referred to as the powerhouses of our cells, because they are responsible for producing the majority of the cell's energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. This energy powers everything: breathing, thinking, moving, and even while you're just sitting still. It's happening all the time. Your metabolism is influenced by a number of factors, including your age, gender, height, weight, body composition, genetics, and lifestyle. But the question everyone wants to know is, can you boost it? The answer is yes. And today, we'll be going over the top 5 scientifically proven ways to increase your metabolism. Let's jump in. Coming in at number 1, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Studies show that HIIT can increase your metabolic rate even after your workout is done. This is called the afterburn effect, formerly known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. A 2021 study published in Obesity Reviews found that HIIT can elevate your metabolism for prolonged periods after each HIIT session. That's what I call efficiency. Number 2, strength training. Building muscle is one of the most effective ways to boost your metabolism long-term. Why? Because muscle is metabolically active tissue, meaning it burns more calories at rest compared to fat. The more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate. In fact, a 2020 study published in the Journals of Gerontology found that individuals with more muscle mass had significantly higher resting energy expenditure compared to those with less muscle. So don't skip the weights. Next up, number 3, eat more protein. Did you know that protein has a higher thermic effect of food, or TEF, than fats or carbs? This means that your body burns more calories digesting and processing protein than it does other macronutrients. A 2014 study in Nutrition and Metabolism found that eating a high-protein diet can boost metabolism by up to 30% for several hours after a meal. So, make sure you're including plenty of protein-rich foods like meat, fish, and eggs in your diet. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Number 4 might surprise you: cold exposure. This occurs because the body has to expend extra energy to maintain its core temperature in cold environments, and this increases overall energy expenditure. Several mechanisms and scientific studies support this, including the activation of brown adipose tissue, or BAT, the stimulation of non-shivering thermogenesis, and improvements in mitochondrial function. In fact, babies have significantly more brown fat than adults because brown fat plays a critical role in helping newborns regulate their body temperature. Unlike adults, who can shiver to generate heat, newborns rely heavily on non-shivering thermogenesis through brown fat to stay warm. It's also worth noting that the extent of cold exposure doesn't have to be extreme, as a 2003 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that just drinking 500 milliliters, or about 17 ounces, of cold water increased metabolic rate by 30% for about an hour. While this won't replace diet and exercise, it's a nice little trick to boost your metabolism. Last but certainly not least, get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for metabolism and overall health. Chronic sleep deprivation can disrupt proper hormonal regulation, thereby slowing down your metabolism and increasing your risk of weight gain. A 2022 study published in Nutrients found that people who slept less than 7 hours a night had lower resting metabolic rates and reduced insulin sensitivity. Getting quality sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism, so aim for at least 7 to 8 hours a night. So there you have it, the top 5 most effective ways to boost your metabolism backed by science. To recap, HIIT workouts for that afterburn effect, strength training to build muscle and burn more calories at rest, Eat more protein to increase the thermic effect of food. Expose yourself to cold conditions to temporarily boost your metabolism. Get enough sleep to support metabolic function. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these tips, or if you have any other metabolism boosting tricks to share. See you next time.